Recessed lights are not that hard. You get a template. We have here recessed lights. I don't like my ceiling fan anymore, and I just want to put a recessed light, do my best to center. Punch a hole. Do your wiring. Hook up. Do your best to match up. Lock down. Place through. And done. LED recessed lightings. They can be hooked up in drop ceiling, sheetrock, walls, wherever you need to have light. This kit gives you everything you need to hook up. I'm going to show you how simple it is on the table, putting it into the wall. Large living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, hallways, wherever you need to put your lighting. It is well packed. We're going to demonstrate with one and show you how simple it is and what you get inside the kit. These are very flush mount. They got 2 springs. They open up, they slide up, they lock into place. If you ever need to take them out, you just simply pull down and they will snap out. This is the connection. It goes to the box like so. They simply line in and they screw on. This part you're going to hook upstairs, lock onto the wall wherever you need to do. Knock out your hole, open up the box, and do your connection. Very simple indeed. You're going to piggy tail all your connections. And then when you're all set up, you're going to choose the kelvins you like. You have from warm to the coolest Kelvin choices. Once set, you're good to go. All 24 junction boxes and all 24 LEDs. This is a template. It is the size of the area you're going to be cutting your holes out. If you look on the back of the unit, it matches up exactly the hole dimension. You're given an instruction guide how to set up. Take your template. You have a cutout piece. Place on. And start to cut out. Your hole has been made. And we're going to push in. Slide in. Locked into place. And when you look at the other side, all you need to do is just adjust a little bit and you have a perfect cutout hole and LED setup. If you need to remove, simply grab and remove. If you need to put a spacer on, you simply put the wire through like so, and then lock down again. And you have a spacer in case you cut over. You wired your box and you have your areas connected. You have the quick connects. You're going to place on white by pushing in and place on black by pushing in. As we have the light on the warmest Kelvin, the 2nd Kelvin, the 3rd Kelvin, the 4th Kelvin, the 5th Kelvin, the 6th Kelvin, 7th Kelvin. We simply, with a low ceiling, can now hang recessed lights. Wherever you need to put a recessed light, you have options to light up the area. Recessed lights are very easy to install. They go in low profile areas and they can be controlled by a dimmer switch. And just adjust the light to your liking. And that's it. Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy, showing you how simple it is to add in to a drop ceiling. You got it. Recess lights. And how does it look to you? You have two lights over here all hooked up of 24. And you get, again, in the kit, you get the box, your piggy tail, you have the template, and you're going to trace out, you're going to cut out, and you're going to install. And if you make a mistake, they have rings as an option. And they're very simple, again, to just slip the ring on and the lights and all that good stuff. And we're going to put it on a dimmer switch for you with the remote control. We can turn off and on the light, and we can adjust it down to the increments we want. I hope you enjoyed this recess light build. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for. Oh man, now I could be underneath light and do a great job. Nice flush.